Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, February 13, 2023. Friday was a tight day in the markets. We had a consolidation day. We opened lower, consolidated, and closed up near the highs of the session, but put in a tight range, just 34.5 points of range for the session on Friday, which was considerably lower than what we've been averaging. And in doing so, that made it an NR4, which means it was the narrowest range of the past four sessions. This morning, we are trading higher, and we're currently trading above Friday's high. So we're going to use that information for today's daily IQ. Let me go ahead and get this set up using all four instruments. Our setup is based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we're trading up above Friday's high. I'm going to add that to the test here by hitting equals next to open above prior day high. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. I'm going to say that Friday was a narrow range 4-day, so that comes from our range of the last session category. I'm going to grab it from the active today right here in R4. I've got that added. Next thing I want to do is go to indicators, put us in a similar market environment. We closed below a 10, but above a 200-day simple moving average. I've added both of those. Now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are opening above the prior day high. And the prior day was a narrow range 4-day that closed below a 10, but above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 74 samples in the S&P, 75 in the NASDAQ, 73 in the Dow, 67 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates, they're all skewed a little bit on the bullish side here, with S&P coming in at 61%. NASDAQ 64%, Dow 62%, Russell 64%. If you look at the average moves, the average loss is larger than the average win here in the S&P, and that is also the case in the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the Russell. So all four of these have larger average moves to the downside, but all four of them have closed above the opening print at least 60% of the time historically, and some of these 64%. So historically, more often than not, we are closing above the opening print following this pattern, but the bigger moves have been on the downside. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.